To remove a toilet with a grouted or silicone sealed base, you need the right tools and a careful step-by-step approach. Start by shutting off the water and flushing to empty the bowl. Then disconnect the supply line and use a sponge or wet vacuum to remove remaining water for a lighter lift. Cut through silicone with a sharp utility knife, running the blade close to the floor and rotating the blade angle to avoid gouging tile. Change blades often so cuts stay clean. For grout bonds, use a grout saw or oscillating multi-tool with a grout blade and score along the grout line until the bead separating the base from the floor breaks free, taking occasional pauses to clear dust. Pry only after the seal is compromised using a flat pry bar padded with a block of wood to protect tile and heel weight. Insert the wood between base and tile and lever gently while working around the bowl to prevent cracking. Once the toilet is loose, have a second person tip it back slightly and lift straight up from the base, while one person guides the wax ring or flange out to avoid snapping the supply or roughing the flange. Set the fixture on its side on a towel to avoid damage. Clean remaining sealant and grout residue with a scraper, then a non-abrasive cleaner. Inspect the flange for cracks and measure flange height to decide whether to replace the wax ring with a standard or extra thick ring. Common mistakes are cutting too shallow or at the wrong angle and nicking tile, which leads to costly replacements. Avoid this by using fresh blades, steady pressure, and a block between blade and tile when possible. Another error is prying from one spot and levering hard, which can crack ceramic or tile. Instead, work incrementally around the base using a padded pry bar and short, controlled lifts. A third issue is trying to lift the toilet alone, which risks dropping the bowl and injuring yourself. Always get help and lift straight up rather than tilting forward or backward to protect the flange and ring. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical how-to content related to home jobs like toilet removal. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, ask questions, and post experiences to help each other find work and get projects done.